Dear students, welcome to our class on late blight of potato caused by Phytophthora infestans. Phytophthora infestans can destroy 100% above the ground parts of susceptible cultivars, more so potato. It is an explosive epidemic. It is an explosive epidemic. It requires cool, moist conditions. So the late blight progresses more rapidly under cool, moist conditions than hot, dry weather, since its spores require water and appropriate temperature range to germinate. 90% RH, temperature of 7 to 21 degrees centigrade favor late blight. Warm and humid nights during November to December increases outbreak chances than cool and dry nights. Morning RH with fog during sunrise will also favor the disease severity. 4.5 hours of leaf witness and 10 degrees centigrade to 21 degrees temperature also favor under certain circumstances. Temperature below 7 degrees centigrade, above 25 degrees centigrade is unfavorable for disease incidence. Now, this is a crop, okay? Potato is a crop of global in nature. Any little damage by blight causes food shortage or food insecurity with reference to potato supplies are concerned. That's why. So we should take care of it. There were several rules developed by several scientists across the globe. Several rules have been developed to forecast late blight of potatoes for various combinations of meteorological conditions. Number one, Dutch rule. 4 hours of dew in the course of night, not below 10 degrees centigrade night temperature. Cloudiness not below 8 by 10. Blight occurs in 15 days. This is as per the Dutch rule. Now, Beaumont's rule. 2 days of temperature not less than 10 degrees centigrade, relative humidity not less than 75% during these 2 days. Blight appears in 10 days. Irish rule, 12 hours with not less than 10 degrees centigrade or 90% wetness 4 hours. The blight appears in 1 week. Now the Smith rule says more than 10 degrees centigrade for 2 days, relative humidity 90% during these 2 days will cause damage on the potato. Now, in general, to sum up all these rules, late blight progresses more rapidly under cool, moist conditions than hot, dry weather. Rainfall on the following day of dew, minimum 0.11 mm at least. Dew, night, next day rain. Temperature of 10 degrees centigrade, RH 90% drastic development of pathogens. So this is how meteorologically the late blight of potato is driven. That's why innumerable rules were developed across the globe, because potato is one of the most important crops, okay, used in daily, okay, consumption. Now, how to control them? Several control measures are there: chemical, agronomic, of course, modeling also nowadays. Now, so severe late blight can effectively manage with prophylactic spray of mancozeb at 0.25% followed by cymoxinil and mancozeb, or dimethomar plus mancozeb 0.3 at the onset of the disease and one more spray after 7 days. Of course, pre-plant fungicide treatment, maximum possible spray. This is as far as basic chemical is concerned. As far as cultural practices are concerned, maximum possible spacing within the row, in between the rows, crop rotation, removal of diseased plants or leaves. These are all the cultural practices. Of course, another most important is mulch around the base of the plant with straw to prevent fungal spores in the soil from splashing on the plant. However, as far as one research finding in Michigan State University, it says elixir fungicide, mancozeb 65.5%, chlorothoronil 12.5%. This is one of the research findings. I am not talking of any trade names or anything. Just this is one of the research findings I would like to impress upon you. Neither I am promoting it nor anything, but this is the research finding that I would like to impress upon. Now, of course, the statistical modeling will do excellent. Blight cast for Phytophthora infestans was developed for the early prediction of this disease occurrence. Blight cast. So, a wonderful software that was developed. So, these are all the things that I would like to share with you. Thanking you very much. May God bless you.